Here I've got NOKIA 7.2 and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, and as you can see right now we are set up with English. To change it, just tap on the settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard, and here you've got plenty of options. So as you can see the list is pretty wide and all of us will find something suitable. Let me just go down to the very bottom of the list. Here it is. And now if you want to change it, just mark the language that you would like to apply, tap on done, and then remove the language that we have previously set up. And as you can see, your brand new language is applied, so you can smoothly write in it. And then whenever you would like to go back to English or any other language, just tap on the more icon, on the settings icon, then languages, click on add keyboard, select language that you would like to apply, tap on done, remove the current one. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.